Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to use the function even and odd in Excel. There are two functions which we can use to make the existing numbers as even number or odd number. Let us see how to use the function even and odd. I will insert one column between unit price and sales and enter the header name as odd. Use the function name itself, which is called as odd. Since the number which I wanted to convert to odd is in even, this number is in even, this is going to increment the number by 1. So now the 20 has become 21. So this has incremented by 1. So why is this useful? Whenever you buy any product and if you see the product price is around $20.49. So if I change the unit price for $20 as $20.99, it is simply going to add 0.01 cents to make it odd number. So I'll drag the function again. It is just going to increment by 0.01 cents to make it 21. So if it is $20, you have seen that it is incremented by $1. So if I make this number as 25.45 $25.45, let me drag the formula. You will be able to see it has incremented by $2. Existing $25 was an odd number. Even though it was odd number, since I have used 0.45 cents and it has made it to $27. It has converted to $27, which is odd number. So similar way, if I drag the formula for all the cells, so wherever it is odd, it has not touched. Wherever it is even numbers, it has incremented by 1. So this will be useful to convert the decimal numbers if you are having for any products which you have bought and make it as odd numbers or even numbers. Let us see what is even number now. So in the even number, so whatever numbers which are there, existing numbers, it is not going to touch the even numbers. If the existing numbers which you wanted to convert is an odd number, only that number will be converted to even number by incrementing 1. I have to use the function name as even, open the bracket, select the number and close the bracket. Since 80 is already odd number, it has not touched 80, 80 will remain as it is. If I drag the formula, since $175 is odd number, it has incremented by 1 and it has made it as $176. And similarly, the even numbers, it has not touched. Let me drag the formula for other numbers and we'll be able to see. So for all the even numbers, it is not going to touch. If there is any odd number, it is going to increment by 1. If I make this 80.00 as 80.99, since $80 and 99 cents is an odd number, the function even function, what it has done is it has converted the $80 and 99 cents to the next nearest even number by converting it to 82. And if I wanted to use the format as accounting format, I can click here and use the accounting format. So instead of having decimal numbers like this, you will have properly converted format as a whole number. So that is the idea behind odd and even functions. So in this video, we have seen how to use the function odd and even. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.